We don't come again, oh, we don't come again, oh. Ayo, ayo, ayo. This na Pidgin News Network. Let's go there. For the latest news for Naija and Obodo Oyibo, yans as e dey park on the street, parable as dem forefathers dey talk am, tori as e dey blow of pidgin world go different parts of the world. Pata. My name na Roro Pata 20 km. The news Sabinos. Una welcome to Pidgin News Network World News. Immediately you suspect person wey an operation, everything the person do call Usai, Sam, you no go believe am. China versus America coronavirus battle still dey hot like fire, like volcano. E dey like hot akara wey dem dey fry for fire. Trust between them don kaput patapata. White House talk say China government no let the world know how this koro take mama them well, and dem say that time China come dey buy plenty goods and products from different parts of the world dey store for their country. Dem no come gree export plenty products and goods, so dem come reduce am so that dem go get plenty when the gbege reach like this. So as we dey say China get grains, they get oil, they get rice, they get everything wey they don store to start for this gbege time. The American Secretary of State Mike Pompeo talk say China dey block investigation of this koro matter for where e from start. Say China no gree join head with sabi people to help them make we all do the investigation. E say dem get plenty evidence to show say this coronavirus e start from inside laboratory for Wuhan, China, where the waka of coronavirus start. Dem say if you believe something, make you believe am well, na be say e fit happen. Oga Donald Trump say im believe say by the end of the year the coronavirus vaccine go come. So make we carry our belief join im belief, because why? When many belief come together, e go turn to true. Na so dem talk am. The president of Tanzania, John Magufuli, dey send aeroplane to Madagascar to go carry the herbal tonic wey dem talk say e dey cure koro. This na jungle solution, because why? The plant wey dem take arrange the herbal tonic na for inside jungle. The plant name na Artemisia plant, wey be part of ingredient wey dem dey take treat and fight malaria. Congo Brazzaville president don also talk say im no go carry last, so im sef go carry aeroplane go carry the herbal tonic come land give im people. But the World Health Organization im call WHO, dem talk say dem no get proof say the thing dey work, so dem no know. Now welcome to Naija. The Nigerian Union of Allied Health Professionals don tell President Muhammadu Buhari to reverse and change this lockdown subpedal wey dem do, sake of say the coronavirus still full everywhere. Na the national president Dr. Obinna Ogbonna and Secretary General Martin Egbanubi sign the message say make dem tell Oga Buhari so. The national leader of All Progressive Congress, Asiwaju Bola Tinubu, say make the Central Bank of Nigeria use this opportunity of coronavirus take bring down the interest rate on top of loan. Oga Tinubu also talk say make the federal government use this opportunity, make dem renegotiate, make dem retalk, and make dem rediscuss all the loan wey we don take from World Bank and other financial institutions dem across the world. They say even sef we fit kukuma negotiate for subpedal, that is wetin we call debt relief, to bring down the money wey we dey owe dem. Yay paripa, wahala dey o. Buhari panel wey go Kano say 80% of coronavirus sample wey dem take test positive o. They all get koro. Help. Na so Kano state government dey shout now. They say they need 5,000 space of bed for isolation center. They need plenty things, so they dey beg for help. Say the next 1 month they go need all these things. Because of the fall for price of crude oil across the world, the federal government don increase the target of ministries, departments and agencies from 849.97 billion to 916.87 billion naira. koro come, people begin diversify. They say when lion pursue you reach for one wall, you no fit go anywhere, you go find trick wey go take escape am. Jankoliko ole, Jankoliko ole, Onyoshi, Onyara, Onyeberibe. The Osun State government joint task force don catch 27 illegal miners for inside the state. Dis na people wey dey go thief our resources without permission from government. People wey dem arrest na 17 chinko Chinese people, 9 local people and the village head. Our people talk say when the head is bad, then the body is bad. The head of this village na Ogbologbo Ole, Jankoliko. Double clap papa, double clap papa, double clap papa, 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 hooray! The federal government don confirm say dem don collect $311 million loot, that is money wey former president, late military dictator General Sani Abacha carry thief go hide for another country. The money na from the United States and Berwick of Jersey. Na there dem for carry the money comot. My people, make we join hand fight coronavirus o. We go dey sambaludate una with the latest news as e dey land for we domot. Dis na Pidgin News Network. Let's go there. Hail una. Back am.